Welcome to SPALECK. What you see here are 4 ActiveCLEAN Vibratory Feeders. Specially designed for feeding and conveying incinerator bottom ashes and non-ferrous concentrate. Each unit is approx 2.2 by 2.7 meters, and it plays an essential role in supplying IBA to the next sorting units. With our SPALECK ActiveCLEAN, you achieve maximum distribution and an absolute continuous material flow. Thanks to the self-cleaning effect of the SPALECK ActiveCLEAN, manual cleaning is absolutely unnecessary. It reduces downtime and the return of invest is typically less than 1 year. Another big advantage is these machines are easy to retrofit. Best screening, best sorting.